Hearing officers, occupational outlook and prospects. Hearing officers, HOs, are professionals who provide administrative law services to clients in a variety of industries. They conduct hearings and issue decisions that are binding on the parties involved. These officers typically have a legal background, and many work for government agencies or private companies. They may be employed in a variety of settings, such as labor relations, environmental regulation, tax assessment, or licensing and permitting. The duties of a HO vary depending on the type of case they are handling. Generally, they will review facts and evidence, question witnesses, rule on objections raised by the involved parties, and make a decision that is binding among or between the parties. The HO career aids in ensuring the fairness of legal proceedings. It is a respected and lucrative profession with specific requirements. There are a few basic elements that all HOs need to perform their jobs effectively. First and foremost, they must have a high level of intelligence and be able to understand complex legal matters. They must also have excellent writing skills, as most of their work involves preparing legal documents. Other skills needed by HOs include critical thinking, listening, decision-making, and reading skills. Similarly, they must be able to remain impartial and objective at all times, even in the face of difficult or emotionally charged situations. In addition to these basic requirements, having a background in law is extremely beneficial, such as experience working within the judicial system. Additionally, HO needs to have a law degree and significant courtroom experience. Likewise, maintaining a law practice, complex case handling, and being a district court judge are some of the ways to advance in a HO career. Many states require applicants to pass an exam in order to qualify for the position. Moreover, like any other career, obtaining an HO equally has a specific path to take. To become an HO, the person will need to complete a bachelor's degree program and obtain licensure, which will take 7, 4, and 3 years respectively. A typical bachelor's degree program in judicial administration or law enforcement will provide one with the knowledge and skills necessary to work as a hearing officer. Once the degree has been attained, the learner will need to become licensed by passing a state licensing exam. After becoming licensed, the person will be eligible for employment as a HO. As with any profession, there are also opportunities for advancement. For example, some hearing officers may move on to become judges, or they may specialize in specific areas such as employment law or family law. Furthermore, the projected future outlook for a career as a HO is expected to have little to no change between 2021 and 2031. According to recent data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of officers is expected to increase by 1,900 every year for hearing officers and judges. As for salary, hearing officers earn a median annual income of $102,550 in May 2021. The median annual income is the middlemost value in a data set, where half of the values are above and half are below. The salaries vary based on an individual's experience and advancement. In conclusion, a HO is responsible for handling legal disputes and conducting hearings. They work with the court system to resolve cases, and they may also be responsible for issuing decisions and providing recommendations. The work can be challenging, but it can also be very rewarding. It is vital to have strong analytical skills and to be able to communicate effectively with others. Moreover, individuals interested in pursuing this career have several qualifications and skills to acquire. First, they must have a good understanding of the law and the court system. Second, they have to develop strong communication and problem-solving skills, and finally gain experience in the legal field by working as a paralegal or an attorney.